Good morning to all of you. So today I will discuss the chapter number 5, Greek and Roman civilization, regarding democracy in ancient Greece. Sparta had become the most powerful city state. It had the most fearsome army. A pair of kings shared power in Sparta with a council of elders. On the other hand, the large city-state of Athens had established on early form democracy. Democracy means a form of government run by people. So, Greece is the birthplace of democracy. In Athens, all male citizens had a say in how the city was to be run. Quite often, the citizens would be called to assemble in a large place and debate the proposals in front of the council. They would approve or reject the proposals by a majority vote. Perseus, who was a famous statesman and general in Athens, is often called the father of Athenian democracy. The most famous period of ancient Greek civilization is called the Classical Age or the Golden Age of Greece, which lasted from about 480 to 323 BC. During this period, Greek civilization reached its zenith and had some amazing cultural accomplishments. Greek communities share their tradition of language, religions, customs, and international festivals. Festivals such as the ancient Olympic Games, which organized in the ancient Greece. Now, famous philosophers of the time like Socrates, in the Hindi name Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle debated on radical ideas. Socrates spent much of his time speaking with young men and also with politicians and poets and artisans about their nations of right and wrong. Socrates did not write any books. We got to know about him from his people, Plato, who wrote down most of his teachings. Socrates did not write any books. We got to know about him from his pupil Plato, who wrote down most of his teachings. They are found in his book Republic. Sciences. Archimedes was a famous mathematician and astronomer. Now, experts in geometry. Hippocrates, or the father of medicine, studies diseases, suggested remedies, and wrote several medical books called the Corpus. Sports. The first Olympic Games were started by the Greeks in 776 BC. The first Olympic Games were started by the Greeks in 776 BC. The games were played in honor of god Zeus in the city of Olympia. They were part of festival celebrations and were held every 4 years. Thank you.